आफ्टर यस्टरडेज इंडिया पाकिस्तान मैच एक रिपोर्टर ने इंडियन कैप्टन सूर्य कुमार यादव से पूछा कि आपने पाकिस्तानी टीम के साथ मैच के बाद हाथ नहीं मिलाया, आपको नहीं लगता कि ये स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट के अगेंस्ट है? सूर्य कुमार यादव ने एक जवाब दिया। ही सेड फ्यू थिंग्स इन लाइफ आर अहेड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट। ये जो स्टेटमेंट है एक बहुत पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है और इस स्टेटमेंट को हम डिस्कस करेंगे एथिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। एज यू नो, इन एथिक्स GS4 we come across a lot of ethical dilemma. UPSC asks about the ethical dilemmas, right? Here also there are two virtues, two values which are in conflict with each other. At one side there is sportsman spirit. However, in other side there is national sentiment, national interest, national sentiments. Now, when these two virtues are in conflict with each other, which virtue you are going to choose, that will be the resolution of ethical dilemma. At one side, this sportsman spirit is important to ensure fairness, ताकि हम खेलें fairness के साथ, to ensure integrity in the sports, to ensure that we maintain the discipline, right? इसके लिए sportsman spirit बहुत 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 ज़रूरी है. However, when these things are coming in the way to against this national sentiment, then should we follow sportsman spirit or should we go for the national sentiment? As you all are aware, after the Pahalgam attack, national sentiment in India was against the Pakistan and many were not in favor that India should play against the Pakistan even in the Asia Cup. However, this answer by Indian captain and the gesture shown by the Indian team clearly defied that even after playing against them, we can still maintain the national sentiment, we can still ensure the solidarity with the victim of Pahalgam attack. We can stand with the Indian armed forces who conducted successfully Operation Sindoor. And this particular case you can use in your ethics answers. You can also use as anecdote or quote in the essay also. Whenever there is question on ethical dilemma regarding the two conflicting virtues or two conflicting values, which to choose.